The new Renault Duster is not trying to be flashy. It is trying to be tough, practical, and ready for real roads again. The all-new Renault Duster marks the return of a name that once defined the compact SUV segment. This generation brings a stronger identity, blending rugged character with modern design. The SUV now looks more upright and muscular, with a bold front grille, Y-shaped LED daytime running lights, squared wheel arches, and a high bonnet that gives it a proper SUV stance. Unlike many soft-looking crossovers, the Duster still feels like it is built to handle rough roads, bad patches, and long highway runs without drama. Under the hood, Renault is expected to offer multiple powertrain options globally, but for India, the focus will likely be on a turbo petrol engine. The expected 1.3-liter turbo petrol produces around 150 horsepower, which is more than enough for city driving and confident highway overtakes. Manual and automatic gearbox options are expected, giving buyers flexibility. Fuel economy is expected to be competitive for the segment, with real-world mileage likely around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions and transmission choice. When it comes to features, the new Duster finally feels modern. Inside, you can expect a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, wireless charging, and premium seat materials. Safety has also improved, with features like 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, rear parking camera, and advanced driver assistance features expected in higher variants. This is a big step up from the older Duster, which was often criticized for lacking modern tech. In the market, the new Duster will face strong competition from the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Maruti Grand Vitara, Toyota Hyryder, and Honda Elevate. The biggest challenge for Renault will be rebuilding brand trust and expanding its service network in India. However, the Duster's rugged appeal and balanced driving dynamics can help it stand out in a segment crowded with urban-focused SUVs. Pricing is expected to start around 11 lakh rupees and go up to 20 lakh rupees ex-showroom, depending on the variant. Early expert reviews praise the Duster's solid build, improved comfort, and strong engine options, while pointing out that pricing and after-sales support will be key to its success. If you want honest reviews, real-world comparisons, and India-focused car content, like, share, and subscribe to TurboXcel. Tell us in the comments which SUV you want us to review next.